Iga Nyamira no mbwate ndocha kosolie gasa ino.
Ni mtu nasaidia wanyonge. Watu wa Nyamira muko. Mumepotea pesa, inua juu nione. Kuanzia mwaka huu amutalipa trade license for 5 years.
Nyamira yeito Obogavana egosori nerare. Umugako yeroro sere.
Bwana Rais, vijana wengi wamebaki nyumbani. Vile nikakuomba ukakubali, mwezi ujao utakuja Nyamira. Na nataka ukuche na fujo.
Tiatu igwane ki wholesale mugako yere orosire. Ndugane tia a different thinking ego Nyamira umuntu koreta idea ya magenderero abagaka abonse bibende kwandaka engoko kwale kwanja kwa kubuli Obogavana lakini bona ago ikire wamwire gutigara aringa pension yokuri nyiriki igore yawo. That is being selfish. Asitokane tia change kabisa Nyamira.
Inatoka Kerenyo inaenda Nyamaya, ingine inatoka zote. Unajua iko ile mpango ingine ulipromise ya airport, iko ile mpango ya stadium na university. Atasaidia kutengeneza barabara round na kuweka hostels huko.
We need a different thinking. Though tiamba tebiki main umuga coordinate beta kubwa simba yakogara. He has done so many things. Keroka yabiki lami chirone gaseni kwa gachu na abachiva se chikoibo. Haya nturoche Nyamira na ole lami street ne alibiki lami. But that's very little comparing each of the Nyamira county. Monomoyo tutokane ti, it's a different vision, different thinking as a leadership ya Nyamira. Habaka ababeretu atuatro so far tindalra some good thing ego Nyamira. Igontokane ti, honestly speaking, iga Nyamira yete nyoro boncherere. Bono ngurikire libuja omugako mutale ndeti ngwera nale. Ngutigara li UPA nenda aira nekero gokere. Take care. Tinabate. Kaba very keen. Anua ne aro koru ase nyaliva koru. Idea ne linga ngo divide vale votes. No metenga chanua arusitie running mate ya not mugirango. Alafu the same thing na nyaliva running mate ya not mugirango. One eventually ko nyoranga chikura chiri ngoro kaninga nga kaba chiri divided. But yeke manenge linga abandu not mugirango. Mudiero ngwa kiravali nyalibu chikura. Kwa kiravali nyalibu chikura. Incumbent sio mchezo. Na teke rote chanua tuwa robo bo chakera kwa teba. Na igumna kubole.
Egendo kende ndakde batebye abantu bali baminto naende barabatata. Napogokani mumurota amera chindaru ngane sengencho akomera chindaru ngo bamara basacha babere se komba wonge. Muroje mbanya akamangana yu. Magura mangana yu.
Yani ngorire tuwa robo banga abantu nyo kwana balenga yaya tiko mugako yakole omayegocha otwa drop obobu lakini chanwa indicating is determined na haka nijikiro kilioso chinguru abo babire no bali serious na ateme kulige ben momanyi tindara kintu significant nje muri ndete mondi gali ben momanyi. By the way tete mondi gali ben momanyi makomanyora mwena mbayani mutanga keresi mungolo inanga kanitro ne school fees kenange mungoli nimate ko muri mwaka interview muboli na kipanga ya area ya Nyamira county. Ngopima kongo mugeni ngore na robo senator. Ngopima Walter Nyambati na watu bulto mungwano li 2022 na robete number 2. One aro muntu toyi kwanda rate at this point. Na bwate potential yokora Nyamira anya ndibuke tutu echamu. Lakini bona ndu bosire una Timothy bosire una bondi gomete taliko tayande. Lakini chikura choko iko omoro aliko choko sali chikura. Simple. Numura yomiya lakini tamite campaign tabwate na message ya campaign. Haya gago ikagari chikura chocho kwako oirana ochako gusali. Terusha mumanyi na bwate kerangelikia. Lakini obo bimbulinga akora mamatianyi. Olivia musambe. Bono litali ya indirikia. Lakini umusubati omukongwale. Na bwate ground. Bono bubenga Timothy bosire alafu Nyambati na Jerusha mumanyi bonsi pi na bakuruke tuto. Baba kare chikuro ndere ketabo kiae chialire. Noti mugirango ya block. Finally noti mugirango yero Obogavana. Nenengora the favorite of North Mugirango, Janabate, Nyalibo. So at this point, onye bakaniti kwere kirokele. Boge tutu, obatere ibosire, mocha mwagiri, ngokwera kirokele. Secondly, onye mutito ko face Nyalibo. Onye mutito ko face Nyalibo. Mo como face serious ekuru boge tutu. Janabate. Mo basi kuchaya Nyalibo impact ya bwata North Mugirango. Chanua kako divide kidogo boge tutu echamo Nyalibo chireka. Lakini ngento kia maana mono, wanyole kijana kiwata different thinking kurwa se ya Nyalibo. Egere nyali kanenga gitugusuka mutu ntubwate some changes you take place. Muna njabono Ase Obogavana na Nyamira ali. Na cross Nyamira iga. Ingi muguchira roje bono. Mwetenga in the last 63 years. Kuzitonye independence. Abangina abakaka. Bagachira roje in the years chabo chakale baro abana. Paka boni iga ndoche bakogenda. Abana boni iga bali myaka 5 ne 10 ndoche bakogenda. Which means to atolo obogima boli ever since paka bon. Obogima boli paka bon. Ntura change birengele bado. Ntura change bogambe boito. Ntura ndo kuikera buna bagira bwata amache chinga cyabo. Na intu mundu gakwagacha na kingo kya amache mwana. Amache abe pumped to various points cha Nyamira. Period. Ekina kitu bantu kutwara buna bagusi. Kiroko kenda bono buna bwikoyo amacha ali michi. Inki ntukusu tatwara amache ite michi. Tutwalenga kire nyomba ginkwa gastali roje ngochi amache ngukunza kucha mwana. Enda amache naro agwisana. Inki tutakora bwiko. Abangina baralimba metu bakora ibintu nabangaini. Bakwende byo bangusira amache byakane bill. County will get some money. Nalo kusabanga tietole tumuntu bwatu bonchire Nyamira county. Or else singucho saritole chi county chijedebera. Oroje kisi county kaya twalro borabo woniga squeeze nega sunte. Haya, wano Nyamira ero Nyamira ngotema bale lakini mbaraika ase ebanda koba in terms of devolution. Nturanyora kerenga kere. Abangona mbaraba ngaini lakini bamwire gusira pi. Mbaraba ngaini bamwire gusira. Pi kabisa. Uwikaranzira buko bategerera mungwano uyu nabate idea. Lakini bono korabona kende. Kama kora ke mungwano nayo togie ningi kyamobera. Tukaransuri tole tugambye bya Nyamira. Miyamuna sana.
Welcome to Humphrey's Hill House. Humphrey's is a boutique hotel located on Kionganyo Hill in Kisii town. We are just 2 kilometers off Kisii CBD. And the hill itself, Kionganyo, is culturally significant among Abagusi people. This is where our prophet Sakawa stood and prophesied that Getembe, which is Kisii town, will come up. And several other cultural activities used to happen on this hill, which included Ribina dance, where women met and danced and prayed for rains. Young men fought wars about marriage in this hill. So the hill is very significant. And therefore, in the design concept for this hotel, we have done what we call a hotel within a museum, where we have tried to collect, document, and preserve a lot of Kisii culture. So right from the gate, as you come in, you'll see pieces of soapstone, the reception in our gift shop. Each of our room has a piece of soapstone that explains about some cultural event or activity. You go to our common spaces, whether it's in the bar, whether it's in the restaurant, there are carvings displayed all over, which have cultural stories and those kind of things. And then at the back side of the main building, we have developed a Gusii homestead, the authentic Gusii homestead with all the traditional huts. And this is where we want culture to be experienced as it was in those days. So the buildings have been done how they were supposed to be. The activities can be carried out. There are indigenous trees there. There are free-range chicken that are running all over. And it's a nice setup if you want to hold traditional weddings and traditional activities. Then next to it, we have an amphitheater that has a capacity of around 250 people, where again, performances, both cultural and meetings and conferences can happen as we endeavor to support the community and preserve the culture that we so wish it doesn't disappear. All in all, you're welcome to Humphreys, and we hope you'll be able to get an experience of the Gusii culture. Thank you very much.